How to fix iPhone camera shaking. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If your iPhone camera is shaking or vibrating, it's usually caused by optical image stabilization issues. So, first things first, go ahead and remove any kind of MagSafe cases or magnetic mounts that you have on your iPhone, and also go ahead and take off the camera lenses covers if you have camera lenses on your iPhone. The next fix is go ahead and try to restart your iPhone, as a quick restart can stop camera glitches. Next, you can go ahead and open the camera application on your device and then swipe up on the camera app, and then you will be led to app switcher. So go ahead and close camera and then reopen it again and see if that helps in fixing your issue. If not, then launch the settings application on your device and scroll down and tap on the camera option. Further, tap on the record video option and then go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for enhanced stabilization. Also toggle off the toggle button for action mode if you have enabled action mode. Next, this fix can occur due to different camera modes, so go ahead and check the issue if it is with front camera or ultra wide camera lens or portrait mode. If one lens shakens, then it's likely a hardware issue and you might need to take your iPhone to a Apple service store in order to help you in fixing your issue further. See if that helps, and if not, then go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on General. Further, tap on the software update option there and make sure your iPhone is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update your iPhone as it fixes corrupted camera settings. And the last fix for this issue is tap on General again and then on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Here, tap on Reset and then tap on Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode and reset all settings. Do not worry, as your data will not be erased. Doing this will fix corrupted camera settings. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix iPhone camera shaking. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.